Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to be doing two different ways how to do fireworks. First, I'm going to apply 2 coats of serious black. And I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. For my first design, I'm going to be using Chartreuse from the Pastel collection, Piggy in the Middle and White Watermelon Hazard from the Luminous collection, and Amethyst Fall. With the dotting tool, I'm going to add the color. And with the detailing brush, I'm going to pull the product and flash cure. I'm going to be using some white snow to pretend like it's a firework. And cure for 30 seconds. For my second design, I'm going to be using Tinsel Dream, Champagne Bubbles, Mermaid Scale and Submerge from the Glitter collection. As usual, a drop onto my palette, and with the detailing brush, the 0002, I'm going to pull the product, clean the brush and take the second color. And blue for the end. And cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to seal the design with the Urban Graffiti top coat. And I'm going to cure for 1 minute. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the products used in this video are in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. Until next time, happy holiday and au revoir!